This video is about a simple way to repair the remote control for the Android set-top box, video streaming sticks, or the remote control for some of the smart TVs. I have not seen any video talk about this particular method, so I create this video to share my experience. When the remote control fails, the first thing I will do is trying to replace the battery. If the voltage is at 1.5 volts, it is good. In this case, it is at 1.4 volt. It's slow, but it should still work. If the battery replacement didn't fix the problem, then I will check if any button on the remote control has been pressed down and not bounced back. But the remote I have doesn't have that problem. Now, this is a method I haven't seen others talk about. I will remove the batteries from the remote controller and let the remote controller sit overnight, or maybe just 2-3 hours. Then I plug the battery back into the remote controller. The remote controller has been self-repaired and it works again. Now, how does this self-repair work? Inside most of the remote controller, there's a small microcontroller or small computer. If one of the bits in its memory system stuck, and it would cause the controller to fail. By removing the battery and allow the remote to sit overnight, the electrical charges within the remote will be drained and the stuck bit inside the memory disappears. This fixed the problem. Some remote controller allow you to reset the remote, such as the TCL's Smart TV. By holding down the power button for 10 seconds, the remote controller can be reset and it would function again. But there are many other remote controllers in the market which we have no idea how to reset it. But by removing the battery and allow the components inside the remote controller to drain all the charges, it's basically allow the controller to reset itself. And this kind of problem doesn't happen very often. And there are other failure modes for your remote controller, but it's worth a try if other methods didn't work for you. If this method helped you to fix your remote controller, please let me know. I appreciate your feedback. Say if your remote controller is really broken, you can always plug in a USB mouse to your Android set-top box or even your smart TV. At least you may be able to regain some of the control of your device. Thanks for watching. Please help me by giving me a like if you find this is useful, or better subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.